Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a cabin air filter in a GMC Terrain. First, open your glove box on the passenger side. You'll need to remove all contents to get clear access. Next, locate the small dampener arm on the right side of the glove box. Gently detach this arm by pulling it towards you. This step allows the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. With the dampener arm disconnected, gently press inward on the sides of the glove box. This will release the stops, allowing the glove box to swing down completely. Now you should see a rectangular cover, which is the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips or tabs on either side of this cover. Carefully unclip these to release the cover. Once the cover is off, you can easily slide out the old cabin air filter. Take a moment to observe the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation. Your new filter will also have an arrow indicating airflow. Make sure to insert the new filter with its arrow pointing in the same direction as the old one, typically towards the rear of the vehicle. After the new filter is securely in place, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring the clips snap firmly. Then, lift the glove box and gently push the sides inward to re-engage the stops, allowing it to close properly. Finally, reattach the dampener arm. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter. For a fresh scent, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your clean air.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.